Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about personal development, property investment, and how to gain financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about my 8 ultimate guide to wealth and independence. How to become financially free. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a future free of financial worries? In this video, I will guide you on the path to unlocking financial freedom and achieving a life of wealth and independence. So let's get it started. You see, in order for you to achieve your ultimate guide to wealth and independence, it's important you implement the following steps. Step 1, evaluate your current financial situation. Take a deep dive into your income, expenses, and the debt that you incur. Assess where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe your subscriptions, maybe the things that you use that you don't really add value to yourself. This is self-awareness, and it is the first step towards making a positive impact to change your life. Step 2, set a clear financial goal. I know I've been banging on goals so many times, but look, without goals, you get nowhere. It's like the sat-nav to take you to Birmingham. If you don't punch that postcode, it doesn't get you to where you want to go. So that should be your aim. So in order to talk about setting goals or your financial goals, let's define what financial freedom is and what it means to you. Is it early retirement? Is it owning your own home? Is it starting a business? You see, by setting clear goals, you can create a roadmap and stay motivated throughout your journey because you've got a vision, you've got a goal, you've got something to work towards to get you to where you want to. Remember that sat-nav analogy. That sat-nav will take you to wherever you want to go based on the destination you've given it to, based on that postcode you've actually typed on that sat-nav. So basically, that's what your financial goals may look like. Step number 3 is to create and stick to a budget. I don't think I've done more than 3 or 4 videos without talking about budget, because budget is what transformed my life. Budgeting is what is changing my life to a better and better and a life that I would have never thought about. So I will keep banging on it until you start doing it. Okay, so create and stick to a budget. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Allocate your money wisely, ensuring that you prioritize savings and investing over spending. A well-planned budget brings you closer to financial freedom. So here's the question for you. Would you prioritize savings and investment or spending? I would choose the first part. Prioritize savings and investing for passive recurring income. Step 4. Now you've created your budget and you stuck to it. The next part is basically to increase your income. Look ways to earn additional income, whether it is through a side hustle. Perhaps you want to start your property stuff on the side, or maybe asking for additional work at work so they can pay you extra money, or maybe freelancing, or investing in your skills. Maybe you're going to learn some skills where you can provide consultation or services to people. The more income you generate, the faster you can get to achieve your financial freedom. So think about it. Are you an accountant? Are you an IT specialist? Are you a teacher? Are you a nurse? Are you a doctor? If you are one of those, or even a warehouse manager, you can transfer that skill to provide services to people that needs it. Suppose you are a nurse, for example, right? You could open your own nursing home. You could open a little nursery, for example, or you can start consulting, for example, on the side. You can do your nursing work, well, obviously work some minimal hours, and then you can be doing locum as well. Perhaps you are an entrepreneur, right? You have business. Perhaps you want to teach people how to start their businesses. If you are a teacher, perhaps you want to set up an online platform where you can teach people on the subject that you are very, very good at. So that can also generate you additional income. Have you thought about that? Number 5 is one of my favorites. Reduce and eliminate debt. Pay off high interest debt aggressively, starting with credit cards and loans. What are these debts? I'm talking about bad debts, the debts that you've incurred to go on holiday, to buy trainers, shoes, whatever debt you've taken that have not brought you passive recurring income, and at the same time have higher interest, such as credit cards, is what you want to pay ridiculously down to ensure it doesn't incur you lot more cost. The faster you become debt-free, bad debt-free, the more you can save and invest in your financial future. Number 6, build an emergency fund. So I'm not really big in this, but for most people, in order for you to quit your job, you want to be saving in emergency fund just for in case for unpredictable events that would happen to your life, because having a safety net of 3 to 6 months worth of expenses will protect you during tough times. These funds will provide you peace of mind and prevent you from falling into debt. And again, if you've got 3 to 6 months and you want to try something, you want to try an adventure, a business adventure, it gives you the cushion to go and explore opportunities that could be making you passive recurring income. The 7th step is my favorite. Invest wisely for long-term growth. Learn about different investment options and seek professional advice, i.e. mentors, coaches, so that you can understand what you're getting into, whether it's stock, real estate, and maybe perhaps you want to set up a retirement account that you can contribute greatly to your financial independence. Because in the long run, obviously, if you've got all these investment in stock and shares, cryptos, whatever that may be for you, as long as you're not gambling your way into it, real estate, it would provide you a cushion to become financially independent in no time. But again, the key things to note here is to invest wisely for long-term growth, not for get-rich-quick scheme. Now this is important. Step 8, stay consistent and patient. Building wealth takes time, discipline, perseverance, consistency, and stay committed to your financial plans. Don't let any setback discourage you, because you're not going to go the way you anticipate 100%. But consistency is the key to achieving long-term financial freedom. Look, unlocking financial freedom may be challenging, or becoming financially independent may be a really uphill battle for most people. But by following these steps, you can take control of your finances and create the life you've always wanted, the life you've always dreamed of. And of course, in order for you to do that, is to stay focused, perseverance, consistent, and ensure you do not allow anything or anyone to derail you from setting your ultimate financial freedom lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable tips and strategies to achieving financial freedom. I look forward to sharing the next video. Thank you.